Having one-on-one conversations in noise is one of the top 5 listening needs of hearing aid users. Here are 3 ways Phonak hearing aids support listeners in this environment. Number 1, Stereo Zoom 2.0. When speech is coming from the front, Stereo Zoom 2.0 can provide up to 16% better speech understanding. Number 2, Motion Sensor Hearing. Motion sensor hearing automatically engages when the listener is in motion, changing the microphone mode to optimize hearing while walking. Number 3, Roger. Roger technology is super versatile and can provide up to 3 times better hearing compared to hearing aids alone. Life is noisy and Phonak is here to help. Phonak hearing aids support listeners having one-on-one conversations in loud noise, addressing one of their top needs.